Okay, so this is, what am I doing now? Okay, I took out this box. The vent hood's gonna go right up here, about 33 inches off the top surface of the stove. You want it between 30 and 36, I guess. I didn't want just a plug in right here, and plus the vent's gonna be partially blocking that. We're gonna put this backsplash up to there. So what I did, or what I'm going to do, is I have some 15-foot indoor copper building wire, and I'm going to attach these ends of this wire to that. I'm going to fish this wire down from the attic. I'm going to go up there and drill a hole in there, fish it down here, tie that in. Then I'm going to patch up this hole. I'm going to actually put the put my plug in here. I'm going to put my plug in up in the attic, and I'm going to run my vent cord, or the hood cord, up into the attic and plug it in. I'm doing that because this shroud that goes around it doesn't really leave you a space for the hood cord to come out, and I didn't want to cut a hole in it. And it's just going to be out of the way and out of sight, out of mind. So I think it'll be good for all intents and purposes just to put my plug in up there in the attic. I can run this cord right up in there and call it good. So I'm going to have a little bit of fun up there, I think. I'm going to have to, you know, there's a kind of, I'm in between two 2x4s here. I'm going to have to cut one a little bit. There's one that's overhanging, that's just to support. So I'm going to cut that. But right now, I removed this junction box. I'm going to cover it up, maybe get a little piece of sheetrock, put that in, patch it all up. It's going to be covered with this backsplash anyways. Doesn't have to be look awesome, but you know, functional. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go up in the attic, drill a hole in my 2x4, fish that wire down here. Hopefully everything works out great. And yeah, we'll be back. So maybe, I don't know if I'm going to take you guys up in the attic or not. It's kind of tight up there. Probably not. Anyways, that's what I did. I had to, in order to get this junction box out, I kind of broke it up with a screwdriver and hit the nails from the side and was able to tap them out. And then when I split it with my little clippers here, nippers or whatever you want to call them. All right, so I'm going to go up in the attic, drill a hole, fish that down. Maybe I'll take you guys with me or not. I haven't decided yet.